Hi friends, in this video, let us learn how to create a report to find relationship lags in Primavera P6. Sometimes schedulers would be putting up positive or negative lags in the schedule. But best practices of scheduling suggest that we should not be using the negative lag and should minimize the usage of positive lags also. So if you want to assess your schedule in terms of the relationship lags, you need to generate a report. Let us see how to create this report now. First, go to Tools tab and go to Reports and click on Reports. Click plus Add button to create a new report in this Reports wizard. Click Next. Select subject area as Activity Relationships. Click Next. Click Next again. Click Columns here and select the options that you want to have in the report. I am adding predecessor ID, predecessor name, successor ID, name, and remove unwanted columns and click OK. Now click on Group and Sort and make group by None. Click OK. Click on Filter and add the filter with parameter lag is not equal to value as 0 days. Click OK. Click Next. Give a name to our report. Let's call it as Relationships Lag Report. Click Next and run report. By selecting the print preview, click OK. Our lag report will appear like this now. In the last lag column, you can see the lags in days like this for each activity. Now from here, you can identify all those activities with negative lags or positive lags which are more than your company's guidelines. Got it? So friends, this is all about auditing of schedule with respect to lags. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe DP Tutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.